G'day, Ryan here from Ranger Touring. Join me as I install the Hima portable shower tent. Using the two L mounts plus the brackets and then the bag of bolts that comes with it, I'm going to then try and attach it and slide it through these holes onto the rack. It'll be a little bit lower than normal, but it'll be at a good height, I think. So if you're mounting it off the top of your roof, it'll dangle all the way down. You've got 4 pegs that you can then stick into the ground and make it hold steady in the wind. And all 4 of these pegs are glow in the dark. Both bars in now, attached to the tub rack. And now we've just got to go put the bolts through the awning. I'm going to grab bolts and just slide them down the channels. Then grab these pieces here, slide them into the end of the channel. That will stop your bolts from falling out the ends. So 1. So that just tucks in nice and neatly now on the side of the car. So popping it open for the first time. Got a USB charger for the lights on the inside, 2 straps. Put that back down. 2 poles. So I'm going to pull all these up now, just so that they're the right height for myself. So to go over a few of the features that you'll find. Firstly, normally you would just have this hang down kind of like it is on these ones, and you can adjust the height. But because I've got it mounted so low on the car, I've just wrapped the top around. So it just gives me a little bit of extra height and kind of gets it up to an appropriate level. But that's just, again, because I've mounted it so low on the car. If you had it up on the roof, absolutely no problems with that at all. So underneath the shower, you'll find a little portable LED strip that can click on and click off. It's powered by a USB cable, which is currently plugged into the Hima lithium portable power pack. It's doing a great job of that as well. So a perfect combination with the rooftop tent is to get the 30-litre pressurized water tank from Hima as well. That's what we used whilst we were at the Cape, and it worked perfectly for showers. I'll give it a crack and put them together. So when you go in, there's a little zip, and then you can walk in. From there you've got a bunch of different pouches on the side, so you can put your towels and stuff in these ones. Another couple of clear ones here as well, so plenty of pouches. So that there is set up for the perfect height for me and the missus to get changed in as well. So honestly, I'm super happy with this. It works really, really well. If you're interested in products like this shower tent, check out Vic Off-Roads. They've got plenty of options. Their Hima brand is their own, and they're bringing out new products all the time. Thanks for tuning in.